soupy and crunchy bitter gourd omelet recipe. We will pan fry the crunchy bitter gourd omelet first. Ingredients: bitter gourd, chopped garlic, eggs, coconut oil. Chop the bitter gourd into small pieces. Boil the water. Put in bitter gourd. Cook for a while. Take out the bitter gourd. Clean the pot. Heat up the pan. Put in coconut oil. Stir the eggs. Put salt into the eggs. Put in the garlic. Put in bitter gourd. Add some salt. Pour in the eggs. Cook for a while. Cut into 4 pieces and flip to cook the other side. The omelet is ready to serve. Crunchy bitter gourd omelet.
Yummy!
Next recipe, soupy bitter gourd omelet. Pour in coconut oil. Put in garlic and fry for a while. Put in bitter gourd. Put in salt. Put in some water. Cover and cook for a while. Stir the eggs. Add in tamari soy sauce. Pour in the egg mixture. Add some water. Cover and cook for a while. The omelet is ready to serve. Soupy bitter gourd omelet. Ingredients: bitter gourd, eggs, garlic, coconut oil, salt.
Yummy!